So now that your photos are exported from Insta360 Studio, the next step is to HDR merge your photos in Affinity Photo and color grade it. To do this, open Affinity Photo, go to File, New HDR Merge, click Add, go to your project folder, Insta360 Studio Exports, select a photo, select the set of 5 raw photos, and click Open. Uncheck all the options, and click OK. Affinity Photo will now merge the set of 5 raw photos together into a single raw photo. This photo contains much more detail and information than the merged raw photo from Insta360 Studio. Now just wait for the process to complete. Press H to default to the View tool. To bring out the best HDR effect from your photo and to make the color grading process easy, I have developed the Affinity Photo effect called the Best360 Virtual Tool Enhancer Effects to enhance your photo in one click. First, you need to set up the effect. To do this, download the effect from the video description, then go to View, Studio, Macro, then View, Studio, Library. In the Macro tab, go to Import, find the Best360 Virtual Tool Enhancer Effects and click Open. Click Add to Library, enter the name Best360 Virtual Tool Enhancer Effects, and click OK. In the Library tab, you'll see the effects here. To use the effect, select the photo layer, click the effects once, and now your photo has been enhanced at the click of a button. To make changes to your 360 photo, click the drop down on the effect. To change the color intensity, double-click Color. Drag the saturation slider up to increase the color intensity and drag the slider down to decrease it. Double-click White Balance to make your photo more cool or more warm. If your photo is noisy, double-click Denoiser and increase the luminance and colors until the noise disappears. To increase the sharpness, double-click Sharpening and increase the factor between 1 and 2. To change the contrast, double-click Contrast, click Reset, click on the line to add your own points, and move the points to your desired position. And those are all the different ways you can tweak your 360 photo using the Best360 Virtual Tool Enhancer effects. Now repeat the process for all the photos in your virtual tool.